My name is An Tran. I am a nail tech in South Houston. I came all the way here to Dallas for Leaders Academy. I chose Leaders Academy because they had a ranking system online that I saw, and I felt like I needed that support to hold me accountable to keep going on. This is my second SMP class. My first one, I felt like it wasn't enough information for me. This is why I did more research and found Leaders Academy. And I saw that, maybe they will give me the support that I need. And it didn't disappoint. The fundamental that I learned, very detailed. I felt like I needed everything I need to know about SMP to keep going on. And he gave me homework, and that's the support that I needed. I mean, I've taken other classes for PMU, and the support that I needed from them wasn't there. Or you would feel like you take a class and the teacher say you can just message me and I will guide you through it. But as a student, most people don't go on doing that. And Leaders Academy made me feel like I can. And especially giving me homework, I have a goal to keep going on and doing what I want to do. So yeah, thank you.